Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Gateway Lodge. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 70 in downtown Rifle, this motel features simply furnished rooms equipped with free Wi-Fi. Fax and photocopying services are available. A cable TV with extended movie and sports channels is available in every guest room at the Gateway Lodge Rifle. For guest convenience, all of the air-conditioned rooms include a work desk, a microwave and a refrigerator. There are many opportunities for outdoor activities in the area around this motel. Featuring world-class rock climbing, the Rifle Mountain Park is just a 1-minute walk away. Rifle Falls State Park is a 20-minute drive away. Garfield County Regional Airport is a 10-minute drive from Rifle Gateway Lodge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.